Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leah Laura, and I'm back at it again with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey, my name is Leah. I make videos, story times, hauls. I do a little bit of everything. Well, to be honest with you, I haven't done a haul in a really long time, so that is a lie. But I do the rest, you know, story times, hauls, vlogs, a little bit of everything, you know what I'm saying? And if you're a returning subscriber, hey friend, how are you? I hope you're doing wonderful, fabulous, beautiful, amazing. First of all, ignore that back there. Second, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me slash a pack with me slash a vacation prep with me video. I love these videos. Like, I watch them all the time on YouTube unprovoked. I'm actually about to watch one right now because Irene's Beauties just posted one on the day that I'm filming this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna watch her video while I'm like doing stuff today. But let me give you guys a quick background because I tend to like yammer on and not tell you anything and just do a whole bunch of nothing the whole video. But so I am going somewhere in the next few days. Today is it's not even Tuesday. It's Monday, April 10th. That means my birthday was a few days ago. I don't know if I'm gonna be talking about my birthday in another video, but I haven't like posted anything on YouTube in a really long time, and I don't know when the next time I'm gonna post a video is, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a kind of like a recap of what my birthday was like. Okay, so actually let me just backtrack real quick. So I am not gonna give you guys a whole big update on like where I've been and stuff like that, but if you've been paying attention to like my community posts, I've been taking like a break from YouTube for mental health reasons. There's been a lot going on, so you know, I just wanted to take a break. I didn't want to do it, and so I didn't do it, and that's just that on that. And then recently I started a new job. It's been like 3 weeks that I've been at this new job, and I've just been trying to like focus on that, make sure I know what I'm supposed to be doing, just, you know, putting all my attention on that. And I feel a little bit more comfortable, so I'm ready to break out the camera, especially now that I'm going somewhere. Like I said, it's April 10th, so a few days ago was my birthday. My birthday is on April 7th. For those of you who are new here, the biggest Aries, the biggest. And for my birthday, I went to dinner. I went to Catch Steak NYC with a few of my friends and my cousin and my boyfriend and stuff like that. And then after that, we went to a little like club slash lounge, you know, something slight, nothing too serious. I'm actually very proud of myself because I feel like this year went much better than last year. Last year for my birthday, I didn't even post the vlog, but last year for my birthday, I was in shambles. I was in absolute shambles. I initially wanted to go on vacation, and for some reason that I don't remember, that couldn't happen. And so just like the shared disappointment of not being able to go on vacation, like that was really hard for me. Not only that, but I felt like everything was going wrong. Like my wig came late, like the company wouldn't ship it to, you know, my boyfriend's house, so they had to ship it to my house, and they'd be stealing. So I was just nervous about that. I had to find a dress last minute because I did not find a dress that I liked. It was just too much on my birthday last year. But this year, I started to plan my birthday like way in advance. Like I started getting my clothes and making reservations, like all of that, like literally at the start of March, baby. I had my clothes by March like 8th. Yeah. And I had options just in case I changed my mind. So I felt like this year I was much more prepared, and I put less stock on my birthday just because, like, yeah, you should always go hard on your birthday and you should always celebrate it. But at the end of the day, it's not like the world is not going to end if you don't have the best, biggest birthday ever. Like, there's other things I want to focus on. I have other goals this year that I want to achieve. So, like, having the biggest birthday is not on my list. I'm just thankful to see another one, you know, blessed and highly favored. So, and also the best gift I got to myself is having a new job. Like, I don't want to get too deep into that, but like having a new job is a really big blessing for me and a gift from God himself. So, I would say I had a good birthday. I'm gonna post pictures on the screen. Yeah. So, moving forward, today is Monday, April 10th. I got off work not too long ago, and I have some things that I need to do. So I'm gonna show you guys the list of everything I need to do in this maintenance vlog, because sometimes I just run around doing stuff and I don't even tell y'all what's going on. So today we are doing a small load of laundry. There's just like some essentials that I need to wash and make sure I have it packed and stuff like that. Let me move over so y'all can see my list. Yeah, I'm doing a small load of laundry. I have to wash my makeup brushes and clean up a little bit in the apartment, and I have to give my dog a bath because tomorrow I am going to drop her off at my house with, you know, my mom and stuff. And So I have to pack her bag tomorrow morning. Then I have to wash my hair tomorrow. I'm working from home tomorrow, so I'm gonna wash my hair like on my lunch break. And then when work is over at like 6 o'clock, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna get my hair braided by my mom because I don't know how to braid my hair. The black girl gene, it skipped me. I don't know how to braid. I don't know how to braid. I actually just got a natural hair mannequin not too long ago so I could learn how to braid my hair. But I don't know how to do that, so my mama has to do it. I'm sorry. So yeah, tomorrow I'm getting my hair braided and I'm gonna drop Bailey off. And then I'm gonna get the rest of the items from my house. So like there's just some stuff that I need. So like just a few sundresses, a satin pillowcase, because I always travel with one. I have very sensitive skin and I don't like putting my face on like the pillowcases in the hotel. And also like for my hair, obviously. There's a red door lock that's used for like extra security protection that I like to bring with me when I travel. Like despite my boyfriend coming, like I don't care. I'm definitely gonna bring that too. And I have some packing cubes in my storage bins. Also, I need to grab a suitcase from my mother because I actually don't have a suitcase that belongs to me. Because if I did, I would go crazy. I'm the type of person that like, I'm so type A that one suitcase is simply not enough. It's not enough. I would get a black one. I would get a pink one. I would get a tan one. I would get a beige one. Like, I would go crazy with the suitcase sets. And so that's why I haven't purchased one now. Because not only am I indecisive, but once I start, it's going to be a Starbucks cup situation. So I'm going to get the suitcase from my mom. And then tomorrow night when I come back from like doing everything, dropping the dog off, I'm going to go ahead and pack my suitcase. So that's what's happening tomorrow. Wednesday, I have a nail appointment at 2:30. I'm going to get a pedicure and my eyebrows done right after that because the place I get my nails done is not too far away from the place I get my feet done. After that, I have a wax appointment like late at night, and then I'm going to go ahead and unpack like the final things. So the things that I was using on Wednesday, I'm going to go ahead and put them in my suitcase. I have a lot of packages that I got from like Shein and like Pretty Little Thing and stuff like that. To be honest with you, I had a really hard time packing for this trip. Well, I had a hard time organizing my outfits for this trip because I was just like so indecisive about everything. It's only like a 4-night, 5-day trip or something like that. We're leaving on Thursday, coming back on Monday. So, and we're going for a wedding. I forgot to say that. We're not going for like my birthday or anything like that. Like my boyfriend's brother is getting married in Cancun. So we're going to Mexico. And not too much in the comments. Like, oh girl, you going to Mexico. You ain't see all the stuff that's going on. Please. I don't care. And I'm not saying I don't care about what's going on in Mexico. I'm saying I don't care because the ticket is purchased. The hotel is booked. I'm going. Not only am I going, but I'm covered by God. I don't have fear that anything's going to happen to me in Mexico because I'm blessed and highly favored. Not only that, but I'm very vigilant. I always make sure I know what's going on. Maybe I don't know what's going on. I always know what's going on around me. I always watch out for my surroundings. And like, I don't travel with people who are not like careful. You know what I'm saying? Like my boyfriend's family, they're very careful, very aware people. So I'm comfortable going to another country with them. It's fine. Like we're all going to be fine. So that's just that on that. We're going to Mexico. So yeah. Also, spring break just happened. It's like mad people that was in Mexico and nothing happened to any of them. Like, I'm not gonna fall into the fear mongering. Like, I'm really not. Everything's gonna be fine. Like, we're not gonna be doing anything crazy. We're going for a wedding and we're coming back home. So, yeah. But yeah, like I was saying, like I had a really hard time packing for the trip because I really didn't know what to wear. And I'm also gonna be around his family, so I gotta be like family appropriate, child. You know what I mean? Can't be skinning out nothing. Ooh. But yeah. So I had a hard time like figuring out outfits and stuff like that. But I feel like I have like a few like good options and stuff. I'm not gonna show you guys my outfits just because it's too time consuming, and also like there's no real place for me to do hauls in this apartment. So I guess you'll see them when I'm in Mexico because I'm also gonna vlog that trip for y'all. But yeah, right now what we're doing, like I have to say, on today's agenda, we have to wash our makeup brushes. We have to give the dog a bath. We have to clean the apartment up a little bit. And that's it. So let's get to it. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Stick around. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for waiting for me to come back. I love you guys. I hope you enjoy the vlog. one of my favorite things to do in vacation prep is to make sure I'm doing an in-depth skincare routine. This helps make sure my skin is protected from the new and sometimes harsh conditions of being in a new country. HeyBud is a company that prioritizes their skincare products in having hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is great for your skin because it's full of omega-6s and 3 fatty acids. This is important in clearing acne, blackheads, and also blemishes. They sent me a mini kit with some products, so a gel moisturizer, niacinamide, and a clay mask. They also sent me these really cute stickers and an application brush for the mask. The mask itself has kaolin and a bentonite clay, green tea, hemp seed oil, and hyaluronic acid. To put the mask on, I use my fingers and then I use the application brush to make it smooth. My skin is actually quite sensitive, so when my skin started tingling, I got a little nervous, but as it dried, and it dried quickly, the tingling sensation stopped. After rinsing my face, I was so impressed by this skincare mask. I mean, I've only tried one before in my life, but this one is a game changer. My skin was so soft, hydrated, and overall the texture was much better. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there was a hormonal breakout on my cheek before applying the mask. And as you can see here, it's completely gone. I mean, come on. They really ate with this product. I'm really impressed with this mask. And if you're interested in trying it out for yourself, don't forget to check out HeyBud. All the instructions is in my description box down below.
Let's go, Domingo, let's go, take, let's go, set, let's roll, straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah, don't not get straightening but straightening, don't not get straightening but straightening, don't not get straightening but straightening, you don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it, in this game sit back, be patient, niggas act like the game went vacant, niggas act like some been taken, what, ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening, been kicking shit popping out daily, on the island it's a movie I'm making, I'm counting De Niro's a Robert De Niro, he telling them that you're amazing, put that shit on, didn't get shit on, I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on, she put this wrist on, she factory said it went with your milk prong, turn a pandemic into a pandemic, you know that's the shit that we on, them niggas gon' pull up and act like this shit is together, won't fuck with you home, I don't do the fake kicking, there go a rocket, it's taking it, it's a problem with you, then we straightening it, swap out the cap with a demon in it, upgrade the band up with fiends in it, I got some shooters you seen with me, we're running shit back, I just seen tenant, we gonna get straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah, don't not get straightening but straightening, don't not get straightening but straightening, don't not get straightening but straightening.
Okay, so hey guys, it is the next day. I don't remember what the last thing I said to the camera was, but yesterday I got a bunch of stuff done, fortunately. Yesterday I got a bunch of stuff done. I was able to like wash my hair, get my hair braided, grab the suitcase, grab some stuff from my house and like drop my dog off. And today, right now, it's about like 2:15. I'm on my way to my nail appointment. And then after that, I have to get a pedicure, I have to get a wax, and I also have to do a quick run with my boyfriend. He has to go pick something up from his mom, but I'm gonna go with him because I need to stop at Target for like sunscreen and mosquito repellent and stuff like that. So that's what's happening today. I don't know if I'll be able to record me getting my nails done because I've never filmed me getting my nails done with this girl. This is about the 3rd time I'm getting a service done by her, so like maybe she'll let me. I don't know, it's not a big deal either way, but I'm just trying to get content for y'all because like I feel like this is kind of like spotty. So I'm gonna try to get the content and I'm gonna try to pick up my camera as much as possible today, but mostly I'm tired. Not a single thing has been packed in my suitcase, not one thing. So we are just faking it till we make it, but see you guys when I get my nails done, maybe.
You don't get shit straight, you don't straight.
The scene had changed. This wonderful guy had rearranged the world around me, and all he did kiss me, and all of a sudden the sky was blue. Kiss me, and all of a sudden the sky was blue. Kiss me. And all of a sudden, the sky was blue. Kiss me.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.